Hello and welcome to Ysgol Harri Tudur Science Department's practical demonstrations. In a previous video we've looked at counts per minute and counts per second is another way of measuring radiation. This is a medical device used to measure radiation, and these are actually the units that we use to measure radiation, and they are Severts, and this is actually millisieverts, microsieverts, I beg your pardon, microsieverts. So if I turn this on, as with our simple count, we can hear a click, and that's the background radiation. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to introduce to the beam, the Geiger Muller counter, a radioactive source. In fact, if I take it out of the holder, that's my detector, and you can hear it's now detecting a lot more, and you can see the needle moving over. This one actually has an alarm threshold that's set really quite low, just to warn you that there is quite a high level of radiation. So that's demonstrating yet another Geiger Muller counter. So the principle is exactly the same as the previous Geiger Muller counter, but this time it's calibrated in Severts, and this is Severts microsieverts per hour.